Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Vitae Hairspray is probably one of the most sought-after styling products for those who demand unwavering hold and a flawless finish, ensuring your hairstyle remains impeccable throughout the day, no matter the challenges. This ultra-hold formula is designed to tame even the most unruly hair, providing a strong yet flexible grip that allows for creative styling without stiffness or flaking, making it an indispensable tool for achieving salon-quality looks at home. Number 5. TRESemmé Extra Hold Hairspray. Tired of frizz ruining your style? Introducing our Extra Hold Hairspray, designed to keep your hair looking flawless all day long. This powerful formula features our innovative Pro Lock tech. It works to lock your style in place, ensuring it stays put no matter what. Enjoy the confidence of knowing your hair will remain smooth and controlled for up to 24 hours. Say goodbye to flyaways and hello to perfect hold. Achieve salon-quality results at home with ease. This hairspray provides a strong yet flexible hold, allowing for effortless styling without stiffness. Whether you're heading to work or a night out, this is your ultimate solution for lasting style. Get ready to embrace frizz-free, perfectly held hair. What we like? Achieve a flawless look that lasts all day. Its advanced technology ensures your style stays put without stiffness. If you need reliable hold and frizz defense for up to 24 hours, this is your go-to. What people say. This hairspray is amazing, it holds your hair in place all day long. I love how this hairspray doesn't make my hair sticky or crunchy. It's lightweight and doesn't weigh down my hair. Number 4. TRESemmé Trace 2 Extra Hold Hairspray. Achieve maximum hold with our Extra Hold Hairspray. It provides a strong, lasting style without feeling sticky or stiff. Don't let humidity ruin your style. This formula is designed to resist humidity, keeping your hair in place all day long. Experience a unique application. It sprays on dry, ensuring your hair doesn't feel weighed down or wet. Enjoy a natural feel with incredible hold. It leaves your hair perfectly styled, never sticky or stiff to the touch. Keep your hairstyle looking flawless for hours. This hairspray is your secret to a long-lasting, polished look. Stock up and save with this convenient 6-count pack. You'll always have your favorite styling essential on hand. What we like? Experience a hold that feels natural, not stiff or sticky. It actively combats humidity, keeping your style intact. For those who desire maximum hold that remains flexible and resists humidity, this spray is an excellent choice. What people say. It holds my hair in place all day long without making it stiff or sticky. I love that it doesn't leave any residue or flakes, even when I brush my hair. The scent is very light and pleasant, not overpowering at all. Number 3. SexyHair Big Spray and Play Volumizing Hairspray. Achieve incredible volume and a strong hold that lasts. This hairspray is designed to keep your style in place all day long. Experience a beautiful, healthy shine with every application. It enhances your hair's natural luster without feeling sticky. Don't let humidity ruin your look. It provides up to 72 hours of resistance, keeping your hair perfectly styled in any weather. Whether your hair is fine, thick, straight, or curly, this product is formulated to work for you. It's suitable for everyone. Unleash your creativity and style your hair with confidence. It's the perfect finishing touch for any hairstyle you desire. What we like? Get incredible volume, lasting hold, and a beautiful shine. It offers superior protection against humidity for up to 72 hours. If you're aiming for voluminous hair with impressive hold and shine that withstands humidity, consider this option. What people say. It holds my hair in place all day. It doesn't leave any residue or flakes. It has a great scent and is not sticky. Number 2. Kenra Ultra Freeze Spray 30. Introducing Kenra Ultra Freeze Spray 30, the ultimate solution for a long-lasting, ultra-firm hold. Achieve a flawless style that stays put all day. Experience unparalleled hold that defies gravity and lasts. This fast-drying formula ensures your style remains intact without compromise. Don't let humidity ruin your look. Our advanced formula provides excellent resistance, keeping your hair perfectly styled in any weather. Enjoy a beautiful, high-shine finish that's completely flake-free. It enhances your hair's natural luster while keeping it perfectly in place. This versatile hairspray is suitable for all hair types. Achieve your desired style effortlessly, no matter your hair's texture or length. What we like. This offers an ultra-firm, long-lasting hold that dries in an instant. Enjoy a high-shine, flake-free finish that looks impeccable. If you prioritize an ultimate, quick-drying hold with a polished, residue-free look, this spray is perfect for you. What people say. This hairspray is amazing. It holds my hair in place all day long, even in humid weather. I love that this hairspray doesn't leave any residue or make my hair feel stiff. The scent of this hairspray is also very pleasant, not too strong or overpowering. Number 1. TRESemmé Extra Hold Hairspray and Keratin Repair Mask. Introducing the TRESemmé Extra Hold Hairspray and Keratin Repair Mask. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. Our non-aerosol hairspray provides incredible 24-hour hold without stiffness. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable hair. The included Keratin Repair Hair Mask works to strengthen and revitalize your locks. It helps repair damage and restore natural shine. The convenient non-aerosol design ensures precise application every time. Get the perfect hold without any mess. This value pack offers a complete solution for styling and hair care. Keep your hair looking its best, all day long. Experience the difference with TRESemmé. Achieve the flawless look you desire with our trusted formulas. What we like. Enjoy 24-hour hold and frizz control with a gentler, non-aerosol formula. It also includes keratin for hair repair. If you prefer a non-aerosol option that provides strong hold and benefits your hair's health, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This hairspray is amazing. It holds my hair in place all day long, even in humid weather. I love how this hairspray doesn't leave any residue or make my hair feel stiff. It has a great scent and is easy to brush out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.